morning, everybody. I am 24 hours out from my slap repair, and you can see this better now, the shirt that I was talking about the other day. If you were watching my video, I can show you how it snaps underneath and up top, and that'll make it easier for my dressing change. So my spouse is gonna take off the dressing. If I can capture that without showing anything inappropriate, then I'll show you guys the dressing. You can kind of see it here. But anyway, I have not had, knock on wood, any serious pain yet. And I've only taken the naproxen, the antibiotic, and the Tylenol. I will say that your first night sleeping is really, really difficult. First of all, I couldn't get to sleep. I don't really know, to tell you the truth, if that was the medications that they gave me or the fact that we watched like the last 3 Jurassic Park movies in a row. So maybe watching the T-Rex wasn't helpful in getting to sleep. But anyway, I did a lot of just kind of laying there staring at the ceiling. But it is hard to get in a comfortable position. I attempted to sleep in the recliner, and I was not successful with that. So I eventually had my spouse kind of help me get into bed, and there I was able to catch about 5 hours. So anyway, today is going to start with removing the dressing and doing the basic exercise, the pendulums, the ball squeezes, wrist flexion and extension, all that good stuff. So that might get the pain processes going, but I'm happy I haven't had to utilize any oxycodone yet. So just the Tylenol 650 and the naproxen 500 are controlling my pain for right now. So anyway, that's me checking in a minute here. I'm gonna take the dressing off. I'm gonna try to capture that for you guys.